Oh, must eat food. Oh, baby duck, you just want food. Oh gosh, give me every bit of food that's in here. Oh, I've been eating so much food lately. Oh, I'm gonna be a pudgy woodgy before I know it. Okay, where is it? Where's all the food? Oh gosh, let me in here. Oh, I'm gonna have some steak. I'm gonna have some potato. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have a full chicken. Give me the food. Where's all the food? Oh, delicious. Oh my gosh. Give me a full chicken, please. Oh, let me put this back. Okay, I want some pumpkin pie. Oh, yummy. Pumpkin pie. Oh, and that's only breakfast. Oh, baby duck, this is delicious. All this food you've been eating lately is awesome. Wow, this is gonna make you feel so great. Hey! I'm gonna go feed Kitten. Let me go put these 3 in here. I'm gonna go give him his food. Ooh, maybe I could cook these pork chops and eat them. Yeah, I don't really want to be giving away any of my food that I've been eating lately. Oh no, hey Kitten, what's happening, buddy? Let me put this in here and this in here. Oh gosh. Yeah, you enjoy your food. Oh, I think I gotta go to McDonald's. Hey Ron, did you hear that? I gotta go to McDonald's. I don't care that I've just eaten. I wanna go to McDonald's and get some more food. Oh gosh, I might have put on a pound or 2, but I wouldn't say I'm anything too fat. Oh gosh, I gotta go to McDonald's and get some more food. Oh, I'm gonna get a Big Mac, and then I gotta get quarter pounders. I'm gonna get, I might try to get some pizza somewhere as well. Oh, this is delicious. Oh gosh, that walk was so long, and I got so hungry anyway. Ooh, there's the golden arches of McDonald's up there. Oh gosh, I'm gonna eat everything in there. Baby duck is so hungry. Oh gosh, gosh, this walk is taking it. I can see my reflection. Whoa, who's that fat guy behind me? Oh, there was no guy behind me. Hey, he's here again. He's dressed like me. That's strange. I seen a fat guy behind me who looked just like me. Good thing that's not me and I'm a little skinny pants. Oh gosh, although I have been eating quite a lot lately. Oh, I am. I'm not getting fat. Don't be silly. Although Donut the dog got fat for a while and he normally has an 8-pack. I couldn't believe it when he got so chubby wubby. Oh no, I don't want to be a pudgy wudgy actually. No, little Daddy's a pudgy wudgy and I don't want to be. Although I am getting much slower. Oh gosh, maybe I could just eat this cookie. This cookie does look like it wants to be eaten. Okay, let me in here. Oh, McDonald's. Oh gosh, come on, baby duck. Get something to eat. Oh gosh, your breathing's getting kind of weird. Oh, my breathing. Hey, see I am, baby duck. Hey, buddy. What's up? So, I got free McDonald's here, you know. I don't know if you know, actually, but, yeah, I get free McDonald's here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get some food because I saved that day here. Okay, let me see what they have here, and I'll go get some. Ooh, I'll have a Big Mac. Yep. Well, that's delicious. Oh wow, that was awesome. I wonder how long it'll take before I want to eat again. Oh, I want more McDonald's. I'm hungry now. Okay, let me get in here. Let me really get in. Ooh, I think I'd like something for breakfast. Ooh, a sausage McMuffin. Ooh, that is delicious. Let me get some dessert or something. Oh, they don't have any desserts. Why don't they have any desserts? Okay, I'll get some of these things, whatever these are. Oh, no, don't go away. Oh, the McDonald's kitchen is weird. Okay, these are Mexican. Oh, wow, they are delicious. Oh, baby Duck, good thing you look so good. And you're not putting on any weight because of this. Wow. This really is fantastic. I'm happy with how I am. Oh, I have to stop here on my way home. I need more food. Oh, maybe I could get some donuts. Oh, maybe. Well, I probably should have went to Donut the dog's house. I'll jump in here. Oh, no, I'm just sinking. Oh, no, what's happening? Why am I sinking? Oh, gosh, baby duck. Oh, no, I'm sinking. I'm sinking. Oh, wow, how did that happen? That was creepy. That really creeped me out. Okay, come on. Come on, baby duck. Go in here to the sweet shop. Oh, you're really slow lately, baby duck. What's going on? What's happening to you? Oh, come on, up we go. We know exactly where the sweet shop is. Okay, is it here? Oh, no, it's up again. It's up again. Come on. Oh, ho, ho, I am excited. Ah, sweet and cake shop. Where are your chocolate donuts? Okay. What? You don't have donuts? Oh, well, I gotta go to the grocery store. They have to have some donuts. Come on, everybody wants to eat some donuts. Oh, where are they? Where are they? Oh, I'm so hungry. There's more McDonald's. Oh, gosh. Oh, this thing is gonna break. This thing. Uh-oh. I stood on the glass and it broke. That's strange. I always stand on the glass and it never breaks. Okay, ooh, what is there? What have you got in here? Okay, hey, little girl, you're always in here, you kind of weird little girl. Okay, where's all the donuts? Oh, no, we're selling donuts. Oh, here's some cakes, but I can get cakes in the other shop. Oh, no, have you any donuts? No. Oh, gosh, that is terrible. Okay, back to the sweet shop with you. Oh, gosh, come on, baby duck. Oh, I'm too slow and fat. Oh, yeah, look at the fat guy in the mirror. Oh, there's no guy there. He was wearing the same clothes as me. I don't think I'm getting that fat, am I? Okay. I went into the wrong shop. Oh, what a silly Billy I am. Okay. Cake shop. Okay, let me see what we can get to eat. Now, what's in here? Ooh, there is lots of cakes. I think I'm just going to eat a lot of cookies. Okay, let me just get a few. Okay, I have 13 cookies. So, oh, they are delicious. Oh, wow. All these cookies. Oh, I can't help myself but eat them. Oh, gosh, wow. I'm eating. Oh, I ate so many cookies. That was awesome. I'm going to get some for the road because I'm going to be pretty hungry as well. Hey, miss, I'm just going to take all these cookies, put them on little Danny's tab, please, if you don't mind. That would be extremely handy for me, and I'm not even that fat. Oh, sorry, somebody's putting a bit of a mark in your counter. Well, I'm getting kind of a chubby wubby here. Oh, no, I'm so fat. Oh, gosh, but at least I'm quick, kind of. Let me just stand up here. Oh, baby duck, how are you breaking all this? Oh, gosh, I didn't think it was that fat. Let me have a look. Oh, wow, look how fat I am. Oh, my gosh, look how I stretched my clothes there. Oh, no, that's not good. Oh, gosh, I gotta go home or something. I'm such a chubby wubby. How am I gonna lose all this weight? Oh, it's cracking. Oh, gosh, that nearly all broke. Oh, no, I'm such a chubby wubby. How am I gonna lose all this weight? Oh, gosh, what'll I do? Maybe I need to go and speak to Donut or something. He can help me train. Oh, gosh, I gotta get out of here. Wait, let me just stand on this till it breaks up. Uh-oh. I gotta break the floor. Oh, gosh. At least I didn't break the floor. That's good. Oh, more cookies. Oh, more cookies for baby duck. Oh, come on, be a pudgy wudgy. I don't even care anymore. Oh, come on. No, be a pudgy wudgy. Oh, this is amazing. I love eating cookies and everything. Oh, I'm eating so much food. This is crazy. Oh, gosh, I'm so fat. Look at me. Oh, I'm hideous looking. I look terrible. I don't know how I did it. How did I put on so much weight? Oh, gosh. Oh, I know how to put on so much weight. It's because I ate McDonald's every day for so long, and I should have been eating healthy and eating fruit and vegetables. But no, I ate McDonald's and fast food. Oh, it was terrible. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Oh, hey, guys, it's Baby Duck here. Oh, gosh, sorry if you don't recognize me. I've just put on so much weight. Oh, look how fat I am. Oh, gosh, guys, you have to get over to Down at the Dog's page and comment and let them know I've gotten so fat and I need help losing some weight. Oh, gosh, you guys, please tell Dota to help me. Because if you did like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And, guys, if you do want to see more Baby Duck, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys.